welcome to this week's on-demand learning video. In English, we have been focusing on editing. So here is the writing health check to remind you of the key parts when editing your writing. When editing our writing, we have to consider non-negotiables. Have we achieved all of the success criteria? And also, have we managed to think about the impact on our reader and the language choices we have made? Take some time to familiarise yourself with the writing health check, as we will be using this in both class writing and when we do home learning. In maths this week, we have been looking at long multiplication and short division. Have a look at the calculation on the screen. 4,533 multiplied by 54. For the top row of our multiplication, we multiply our number, 4,533, by the ones column, or the units. You can see that when we have a number greater than 10, we exchange into the next column. We must make sure when we're multiplying by 10, we put a placeholder in our column before carrying out our next set of calculations. Once we have carried out all the multiplication, we then add our answer up to give us a total. You can see here the answer to 4,533 multiplied by 54 is 244,782. We have also been looking at short division this week. You will see on the screen an example of a short division calculation. 6,718 divided by 5. We begin by looking at how many 5s go into the 6, which we know represents 6,000. We know it is 1 and there is a remainder of 1. So we carry our remainder of 1 across and then we are working with 17. We complete this to get an answer of 1,343. But we also know there is a remainder of 3 at the end. We have discussed this week representing that remainder as a fraction. It is 3 out of the 5, as we are dealing with 5 as our divisor. You might also want to represent that remainder as a decimal. In this situation, that would be 0.6. Use this to help you do your home learning this week.